This next problem states a pure silver ring contains 2.80 times 10 to the 22nd silver atoms. How many moles of silver atoms does it contain? So now in this problem, we're going to go from the number of atoms and convert it to the moles, okay? Because our given value here, our given value is the number of silver atoms. Our question is asking us how many moles of silver atoms does it contain? So we want to convert the atoms into moles. So we're going to use Avogadro's number because Avogadro's number states that 1 mole of silver, remember silver is Ag, is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of silver. Okay, so there's our equivalence. We know what we want to start with. We start with our given value. The given value here is 2.80 times 10 to the 22nd silver atoms, okay? Or atoms of silver. We're going to start with that in our dimensional analysis. 2.80 times 10 to the 22nd atoms of silver. Okay. And we're going to convert this to moles of silver using Avogadro's number. So now this time we're starting with atoms and converting to moles. So in this case now we need to put Avogadro's number in the denominator. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of silver is equivalent to 1 mole of silver. Cancel units of atoms and it converts us to moles. Once you have your units canceled appropriately, we're going to begin our calculation. We begin our calculation using the given information and then dividing it by Avogadro's number. Now we notice we have 2 values here that include exponents. So you're going to want to use the parentheses twice in your calculator when you're inputting this in to ensure that it does the correct order of operations. 2.80, so I did open parentheses, 2.80 times 10 raised to the power 22, close parentheses, divide, this is dividing because it's the denominator, divided by open parentheses 6.022 times 10 raised to the 23, close parentheses, equals. Okay, so the number that I am getting is going to be, it's a bit lengthy right now on my calculator, but we're going to go over how we're going to round our answer. But this is what my calculator is giving me. 0.0464961881. If you ever give me an answer like this, you're going to have it be marked wrong because you did not round your final answer. So this can be an intermediate answer, but then once you have that written out, you can then round your answer. You don't always have to write this down. If you just round directly from your calculator, that's fine. I am just showing you the process of rounding in your calculations. So how many significant figures do we round to? We have 1, 2, 3 significant figures in our given value. Remember that final 0 is significant. 3 significant figures. Therefore, we're going to round our answer to 3 significant figures. So remember, this 0 is not significant. It's a leading 0. This 0 is also a leading 0, not significant. So we start counting when we reach the 4. 4, 6, and then this second 4 is going to be our third significant figure. We're going to round that 4 up to 5 because it is followed by a 9. So we're going to say our answer is equal to 0.0465 moles of silver. And that completes that problem.